Welcome viewers, this is my 50th episode. Thank you all my viewers for your love and support. I am Roshmi. Let's start showing sarees. Today I will start with Kantha stitch. This is saree number 1. This is Kantha on Tassar, on Gachi Tassar. Saree number 1, this is Kantha stitch. This is Palla portion. Palla portion, Kantha stitch on Gachi Tassar. This is the virgin color. After that, see, this is black portion. Black is dye. Material is Gachi Tassar, pure Gachi Tassar. See, this is the look. Pure Gachi Tassar, black base with both side border. I will show you the border. This is the border, and entire saree is like this. Entire saree with the both side border, and the blouse piece is again red. This is Kantha stitch on Gachi Tassar, pure Gachi Tassar. Price is 7850. This is the blouse piece. See, it will be the look of the saree. Price is 7850. All the tassars are silk mark certified. Saree number 1, Kantha stitch. Saree number 2, this is also tassar. All the tassars are with tie and dye. This is half and half. Half portion from Palla, half portion will be like this. You can see the work. This is Kantha work. Hand Kantha. I can show you the opposite side. This is the opposite side. These all are made in hand. Hand stitch. This is Kantha. Half portion will be like this, and the rest half is dyed with red color. This is tomato red with a border, and the blouse piece is also red. This will be the look of the saree. Price is 8200. Pure Gachi Tassar Kantha. Price 8200. Saree number 3. This is also Gachi Tassar. Aanchal portion. This portion is in Aanchal, and the entire saree black dye with this channel work. See, with this floral motifs, leaves motif. This is the look of the saree. This is the entire saree, and now I will show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Saree will be like this. Saree will be like this, and this is the Palla portion. Price again 7500. This is also Gachi Tassar. Saree number 4. Saree number 4. This is green dye on Tassar. This is Palla portion. Palla will be like this, Aanchal, with both side border. This is the look of the saree. Material is Gachi Tassar. See the work. All are Kantha stitch, handmade Kantha stitch, and the blouse piece of this saree is also green. This is the blouse piece. This will be the look of the saree. Again, the price is 7850. This is Palla. Price is 7850. All the silks and tassars are silk mark certified. Saree number 5. It will come in the Aanchal Palla portion. Kantha stitch. This is Kantha stitch. This is the body with bandage work. Material is again Gachi Tassar, pure Raghunathpur Gachi Tassar. It will come in the pleats. This is pleats portion. This is pleat portion. This is the beginning of the saree, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price again 7850. See, this is the color. This is Palla portion, and on pleats this work will come. Blouse piece is also red. Price 7850. This material is Gachi Tasar. Now this is also a Gachi Tasar. Last time people asked for this sari, but I am unable to give you. So I am showing it again, the same design. Very sober combination. This is Palla portion. This is the body. Entire body with this work. Blue dye. This is the entire sari, and the blouse piece is grey color. Price is 7800. Next one, this is black and white combination. See the entire sari. This is also pure Gachi Tasar. This is also pure Gachi Tasar. This is Palla portion, and see the entire work of the sari. This is the entire work. All over sari with the same volume of work. All over sari the same volume of work with black combination. This is the sari. This is the blouse piece, and the price is 8500. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Last one on Katha stitch. This is on Bangalore silk. So this is also very nice work. This is Bangalore silk, black color. I will show you the sari like this way. This is the look. The entire sari with both side border, temple border. See the work. You can see the work very closely. Price is 7800. The material is Bangalore silk. The entire sari is like this. This is the entire sari. And the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece with the border. Price 7800. Now viewers, you can book my sari also. This is also Gachi Tasar. This portion is with Kantha work with both side border. You can see both side borders are there. Both side borders are there. This portion is printed. This fish motifs are printed portion, and the half sari is with ochre yellow dye and Kantha stitch. Again, the price of this sari is also 7500. Now I will show you a new item, which is Tasar, batik on Tasar. These all are Gachi Tasar. All are very good quality Gachi Tasar. Price is 5850. I will start the sari with the achal. This is achal portion. I can show you in this way. This is achal portion. The color is orange. Material is Gachi Tasar. Price is 5850. This is achal portion, and the entire sari will be like this with this work. See, this is the work. The entire sari with the same volume of work. This is the work. I think I can show you very clearly. And the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece with the border. Price 5850. This is sari number 9. Now sari number 10. This is blue color, denim blue. This is achal portion. It will come in the achal. It is in the front. It will be like this. In the pleats, this all designs will come. I am showing you the entire sari. And this is the blouse piece. Material Gachi Tasar, Raghunathpur pure Gachi Tasar, and the price is 5850. These all are discounted price. Sari number 11. See, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece and the entire sari with crack and this motif with birds and leaves motif. This is not black, this is deep brown, and this is palla portion. In Achal it will come in Achal. See, price again 5850. Sari number 12. This is maroon color. Maroon color. It will come in Achal. Achal portion. The body is like this. See, it will come in the front. In the chest portion, this work will come, and the entire body is like this. Maroon color. Price 5850. This is the sari. Price is 5850, and this is the blouse piece. Material again Gachi Tasar. This is sari number 13. The color of this sari is pink with geometric. The border is pink and with the geometric batik work. This is the blouse piece. This sari I will start with the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece and the entire sari with the geometrical. So this is the geometrical work done on the sari. But this is hand batik. Material again Gachi Tasar. Price is 5850, and this is the palla portion. Sari number 14. Viewers, if you like the show, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is palla portion. It is almost like the first sari, orange one, but the color combination is different. This is with brown and red combination. This is again I am telling you, this is not black, this is brown, and the entire sari is like this. This is the entire sari. The work will go like this way. The price is again 5850. The price of the sari is 5850. This is the work, and this is the blouse piece. Sari number 15. Sari number 15 is also with pink border. This is darker shade of pink. This is palla portion, and the entire body, see the color combination of the sari. The entire body with these flowers. See, I will show you in this way. It will be easier for you to understand. This is the entire sari. The color combination, see the color combination, especially the flowers color. This is the entire sari, and the blouse piece is again pink. Price is 5850. All the materials are pure Gachi Tasar. Number 16. 16 with brown with green combination with bird motif. See, this is the blouse piece of the sari. Blouse piece of the sari is green with border and cracks, and the entire body is like this. See, the flower, the birds are birds with their nest. This is the sari. This is the look of the sari. Entire sari is like this, and this is the achal. This portion is the achal. See the achal. Price again 5850, and all the tassels are, as you know, silk mark certified. Sari number 17. This is also pink combination with different type of work. Palla portion or aanchal portion. Entire body with this multicolor batik work. The border is pink, but the entire body with this multicolor work, and the full sari is with this work. The blouse piece is again pink with the border. Price 5850. All the materials are pure Gachi Tasar. This is another one. Style. This portion is the blouse piece, and the entire sari is this. This is the entire sari with crack. See, this is the entire sari. Border is maroon. This is the palla portion. This is aanchal. This is aanchal. Price 5850. Sari number 19 with yellow combination. Blouse piece. This portion is yellow is the blouse piece, and the entire sari with this bird's motif and crack. See, this is the motif, and this portion is in the aanchal. This is aanchal portion. Price again 5850. This is the last sari of today's episode. Sari number 20, again with the pink combination, but the design is different. This is blouse piece. This is blouse piece portion, and the sari will be like this. This is a floral motif with pink and different colors. Let's see, it looks very pretty. And this is aanchal portion. Aanchal portion, and the entire sari is like this. Price is again 5850. Viewers, you have seen 20 saris along with kantha and batik. All are based on Gachi Tasar. I think you will like it. Please share with your friends and subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. If for booking or any inquiry, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my number 9330866384. My address is 75 Hindustan Park.